So the next step is to take the console out of the Corvette.
So we can cut a hole in the floor. See, after we take these screws out. We got down to the shifter handle, and I guess we'll take that off. I think we found some of the missing screws. Probably why they were all different. So unplug this, unbolt it, get it out of the way, and then we'll stick the transmission in the bell housing and make some marks.
So now we lift it up, put the transmission in so that we can figure out where the hole will be.
Yeah. So I took a couple of bolts. I cut the heads off. So that way when we go to put the transmission in, it'll have some alignment. So it'll kind of go in straight. So we have the alignment dowels installed. We don't have a clutch or a pilot bearing in there. So it's going to be real easy just to set it up in there, and then we're going to support it and then make our marks to cut the hole. So let's grab the transmission, set it on the jack. So you can see right here where it's gonna touch. That's kind of cool. So I guess we'll start trimming around that area. We'll start with that. Okay. So now we just need to connect the dots. I'm gonna make some incisions and hope for the best.
Okay, doctor, we're ready.
Okay, let's cut out the fun part and make room for the fun part. It's like plastic surgery on grandma. This is the transmission mount, and I just want to kind of get these pieces bolted together and check the height of this and see if it's all gonna clear. Because the transmission, the shifter, or the tail shaft of it's hitting the floor right here. So we may have to trim this little bump out. Not sure.
So we're finishing up fitting the transmission. We brought the crossbar in to make sure that it had enough clearance. The transmission had enough clearance to the tunnel. And it does. We were really nervous that it wouldn't, and we might have to cut the hole a little bigger to make a little more clearance for it. But so far, it's working out fantastic. Lots of more steps to go, but we're heading in the right direction.